Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about best accounting tips for auto repair shops. Let's get into the video. If you own or manage an auto repair shop, then accounting and bookkeeping are likely pretty low on your list of favorite pastimes. Unfortunately, tracking revenue and expenses and other financial aspects of your business is absolutely essential to your success. Though you would rather be focusing on your clients and their vehicles, keeping various items top of mind and up to date will help ensure that your business continues to move forward without hitting any potholes. How best to manage inventory? Quick deliveries and immediate access to warehouses means that you can continue to operate efficiently even without keeping inventory on hand. This is important for small shops that have little to no storage space. But if you run a big operation and have this space, you may be able to boost your profits by taking advantage of economies of scale and ordering multiple popular items at a lower price. One way or another, if you keep track of the items you use every day, like clamps, hoses, and filters, you can be much smarter about your ordering habits and buy at lower rates. Of course, if you operate a shop that specializes in a particular type of car whose parts require longer lead time, then keeping inventory on hand and making sure that you do not get caught without popular items in stock is very important. Keep your management tools current. The days of keeping ledger books with pencil and paper are long gone. Today, there are so many management tools available that help you to operate with far fewer mistakes and with far greater effectiveness. If you're a small shop, you do not need anything fancy. Something as simple as QuickBooks Online can probably work for you. But there are also s- specialty software programs that have been specifically designed for the auto repair industry, and they have many features that can boost your business profitability. Top features to look for include estimating tools, vehicle maintenance history, part ordering and technical service bulletins, auto repair job guide database, scheduling integration with accounting and marketing apps. Determine what level of technology is most appropriate for your shop requires some investigation but can lead to improved processes and ease of transferring financial information to your accountant and other professionals integral to the operation of your business. Return and core processing. Auto repair shops have certain unique practices and processes that are unlike those of other businesses. They frequently have to return parts that are either over ordered or defective, and each company to which items get returned has its own method for managing these returns. Creating a well organized way of addressing this will save time, trouble, and confusion and enable all paperwork to be managed in a way that reduces wasted time and effort. The same is true of the deposits referred to as cause that need to be credited. By setting up a specific form for each vendor that adheres to their process, you will be able to make sure that you adhere to their process and that the appropriate credits appear on your statements. Tracking trends. Whether you prepare your own financial report or have a professional do it for you, it's important that you review your paperwork regularly so that you can get a sense of shifts in costs, expenses, busy seasons, and slack seasons. The more you review and track changes, the more you will be able to spot trends or anomalies that may be cause for concern. If you or your company needs help with doing your accounting, feel free to contact me. My contact information is listed below in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.